Guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. Today I'm here with you with an amazing video that if you're facing a Facebook problem that this page is not available right now, then follow my few steps and settings to get fix this problem that some people are facing currently. First of all, you have to make sure that you have a proper strong internet connection. If you connected to Wi-Fi, then forget and reconnect the network. If you're using mobile data, then click on airplane mode 1 to 2 times. After doing this, go back, open your settings. From here you have to click on apps or application manager. Click on app info. Now I have to search Facebook. Click on storage. From here you have to clear cache. But the last step is more important. Do the last step is that go back. Open your Facebook. You have to click on profile. Now click on settings. From here you have to scroll down. Click on device permissions. See all these permissions, make sure you have to allowed all these permissions. After allowing these permissions, open your Play Store app and make sure you have the updated version of Facebook. After updating the Facebook app, your problem will be fixed. But make sure you have the updated version of the Facebook. Thank you for watching the video. If you like the video, share it with your friends and subscribe to my YouTube channel.